vertex form of a parabola. So vertex form is basically is a basic form of a parabola. So where y equal to a times x minus h square plus k, right? Where a stands for, in the previous session we have learned about that it will let us know whether it's a vertical compression or a vertical stretch, and the sign will tell us whether the parabola is facing upwards or downwards, right? And h and k will be the coordinates of the vertices. These are the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola, right? Now, for example, if we have a question, because we want to know how we can, form a quadratic equation with the help of a vertex and any one point. So let me take one question. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so here in this question we can see we have a vertex and we have a y-intercept, and they are asking us to find the this quadratic function in the vertex form, right? I'll show you one, I'll ask you to solve the other one yourself. Yeah, so how we'll do this one? Let me take it a little towards the left. So as we know that y is always equal to a times x minus s square plus k. So here we have been already given with the vertex, right? We'll substitute that. So y equal to a times x minus, so h is 2, like this, minus 3. Now we have to find the value of a. To find the value of a, we'll use this information where they have told that y-intercept is 5. What does that mean? Y-intercept is 5 means the coordinate is 0, 5. Now we're going to substitute here and find out the value of a. So here y
All
coordinate
right.
is 5. So we can put 5 equal to a times
Ah,
0 minus 2 square minus 3. And that will going to become 5 equal to minus 2 square will become 4. So that is 4a minus 3. Now we'll take minus 3 to this side, right? So if you take it to this side, this will become 5 plus 3 equal to 4a. And that is 4a equal to 8. And a will come out to be 2. So value of a is 2, right? Now we will substitute here in this equation all the values what all we have. So y will be equal to 2 times x minus 2 square minus 3. Now this is the function fx in the vertex form. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll take one more example, Nathan. I'll take it from here. Question number 2. And you try doing it yourself on your notebook and let me know once you're done. Then we'll do it together and verify it. Yeah?
all right.
Yeah. This one, buddy. Yeah? Yeah, buddy. Try doing this. So here we have a quadratic function where we have the vertex minus 4 comma 2 and the y-intercept is minus 6. So we want this to be in the vertex form. Same like the previous question, and then just give a try. Then we both will do it together and verify whether you are right or wrong. Yeah? Take your time. I'll give you some time to do it. Meanwhile, I'll just write the standard equation. H and K are the coordinates of the vertex, And yeah, they have given us one information, y-intercept, which is -6. With the help of this information, we need to find out the equation in vertex form. See, y-intercept is given -6. In some of the questions, they may give you some other coordinate like 2, 3. It passes through a coordinate 2, 3. Same thing. Here, the point is 0, -6, right? From where it passes through, isn't it? Yeah. It can be any other point as well. So same steps follows. Concept wise, we are good, right, Nathan? Yeah. So here, so y will be equal to a times. Again, the coordinates are x minus. Here, the x coordinate of the vertex is -4, so we'll write it here as a -4 square and +2. And if you solve it a little, you get a times x plus 4 square, because minus minus become plus, so +4 square plus 2, and then y will be equal to 8 times, yeah, that's it. We will not going to expand it. We just now substitute the value of this coordinate, which is 0, -6 here. If I just minimize the page, so y is your -6, so -6 equal to 8 times 0 -4. I mean +4 square plus 2, and if we solve it a little, this become 4 square is 16. So 16a plus 2, and you take a 2 to the side. So this will gonna become -6 minus 2 equal to 16a, or you can say 16a equal to -8, and a equal to -8 upon 16, basically -1 upon 2. So how you can write this equation as y equal to -1 by 2 x plus 4 square plus 2. So that is our desired result. This is the vertex form of a parabola. So here what they will be providing us is the vertex information and any one point from where the parabola passes through. With the help of that information, we should be able to write the vertex, what you can say, the parabola equation in terms of vertex. Yeah. Now let's do one. There's another form of a parabola which is a factored form, that which is also very important. Factored form. So factored form is basically the, you can say, the intercept forms. So for example, if you have a parabola here and it cuts here at -3 and here as 4. So you have to write in in the factored form as, here also you will be provided with the point from where it passes through, because we need that information. Okay. Yes, 1 second. I'm taking some questions. 1 second. I'll take this first question first.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the question. Yeah. Give a try. I'll just have a water. the factored form is y equal to a times x minus p into x minus q, where p and q are the intercepts of parabola, the x-intercepts. So here, if p and q are if it's like that, this is p, this is q. So how can you write this in a factored form is y equal to a times x minus p into x minus q, where p and q are the x-intercepts of this parabola. Again, we need some point here to find out the what? To find out the equation, because we need to find the value of a, right? Even if the
Mm-hmm.
x-intercepts are given, we still need the points. Here they have given us the vertex. It can be any point. It's not just the vertex. It can be any point. So they have given us the y-intercept, x-intercept. We just have to plug in the values. So for example, so y equal to a, we don't know, but they have given us the x-intercepts as 2 and 9. So we just substitute here x minus 2 and x minus 9. Now we'll use this information which is given here. Vertex is 5.5 and minus 8, right? So we just put it. So x coordinate is 5.5 and y coordinate is minus 8. So we'll put here minus 8 equal to a times 5.5 minus 2, and even over here we'll put it 5.5 minus 9. Yeah, now we'll solve it a little so that we can get the value of a. So minus 8 equal to a times 5.5 minus 2 is 3.5, right? And
Mm-hmm.
5.5 minus 9 will be minus 4.5, isn't it? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Or 3.5? 3.5, right? Because 3.5 plus 5.5 will become a 9, right? So because the 9 is bigger, the sign of the bigger number will gonna come. Are we all good so far?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, no doubts, right? Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now minus 8 equal to minus a times 3.5 raised to power 2, because there are two 3.5s. This minus minus anyhow it get cancel both the sides, and a will be basically equal to 8 upon 3.5 raised to power 2. And how much will be 3.5 raised to power 2? Can multiply and divide then.
All
So
right. Small, tiny, considerate question.
yeah,
If I'm a Nathan,
and if you divide it, one second, if you divide that with 8, 8 divided by 12.25, this will come out to be some around very less, 0.65. You can use this 0.65 value. And now the equation, what will be the factored form be? If I reduce the size a little, it will be gonna become y equal to 0.65 times x minus 2 into x minus 9. So basically, Nathan, what is the factored form of a parabola is y equal to a times x minus p times x minus q, where p and q are the x-intercepts of the parabola. But again, here we need one extra point from where the parabola passes through so that we can find the value of a. A is the same thing what we were doing in the vertex form. It will tell us whether it's a vertical compression and stretch based on its value. If it is less than 1, it's a vertical stretch, and if less than 1, it's a vertical compression. If it is greater than 1, it's a vertical stretch. That same information what it was there in the vertical when we were doing the vertex form, same is the information here with a. But yeah, you have been given with the x-intercepts here instead of the vertex. But yeah, we need any one point from where the parabola passes through, because then only we'll be able to calculate the value of a. I'll give you one more question and we'll do it together. I have one more question. So any one point, that point can be any three. Okay, in this question, they have taken any point, any one point, not the vertex. Yeah, yeah, this is the question. So x-intercepts are -3 and 6 this time, right? And they have given any one point. It can, in the previous question, they have given us the vertex. Here it's just any one point. So same thing. So y equal to a times x minus p times x minus q, where p and q are the vertex. Sorry, a and p and q are the x-intercepts of the parabola, and we have to plug in the values, right? So y will be equal to a times x minus of -3 times x minus 6, right? And that will be gonna become y equal to a times x plus 3 and x minus 6. And now plug in the value, the one which they have given 0 minus 18. So this is basically a y-intercept, isn't it? Because x coordinate is same. X coordinate is 0 here, so it's a y-intercept basically. So put a -18 here, and you have to put 0. 0 plus 3, 0 minus 6. So this will gonna become -18 equal to a times 3 times -6, isn't it? And that will come -18 equal to a times -18. So basically your a equal to 1 in this case. So how will you gonna write your equation of the parabola in factored form? Y equal to a is 1, so you don't have to write 1. Just write x plus 3 times x minus 6. That's the factored form. Yeah. So we also have done the vertex form. We also have done the factored form. One more question on vertex form we will do, so that you get a more clarity on it. Yeah, I have the question. Then our concept will be fine. Yeah, you can see the question, Nathan.
Mm-hmm. I
Okay.
can see it.
Yeah. So again, the vertex form. What is the vertex form? A equal to a times x minus h square plus k, where a, h, and k are the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola, and a is the same as we have discussed. It will tell us about the vertical stretch and the vertical compression. And if the sign is positive or negative, it will tell us whether it's facing upwards or downwards. If it is positive a, it will be facing upwards, and if it is a negative a, it will be facing downwards. Now you can put the no coordinates of the vertex. So y equal to a times x minus 1 square plus 4. Now to find out the value of a, we have to put the coordinates of this point. So here in the previous question, the previous two questions, what we did for the vertex form, right? They have given us the y-intercepts. So this time they have given us any one point from which this parabola is passing through. So 3 minus 8. So minus 8 is the y coordinate. So minus 8 equal to 8 times, you have to put 3 value here. So 3 minus 1 square plus 4, and just here let's solve it. So minus 8 equal to 8 times 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square plus 4, and take 4 to this side. So this minus 8 minus 4, and this become 2 square as 4, and 4 into a is 4a, right? That implies minus 4a equal to minus 12, and that means a equal to minus 12 upon 4, and that is minus 3. That means this is facing downwards parabola, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just take it a little up. Yeah. So the final equation of the parabola in the vertex form will be y equal to minus 3 times x minus 1 square plus 4. This is the vertex form of this parabola. So basically, whenever you're doing the vertex form of a parabola, they will provide you the coordinates of the vertex and any one point from where it passes through. So you have to substitute the values in the vertex form, and then put in the values of the coordinate what they have given us from where it's passing through to find the value of A. Once you get the value of A, yeah, you have the vertex form then. And the other form we did the factored form where they will give us the x-intercepts and any one point it passes through. So what was the factored form was A times x minus p times x minus q, where p and q are the x-intercepts, and they also will give us one point as we already discussed to find out the value of A. So that's all about the vertex and the factored form. Nathan, you have any doubts? All good with this? We can do more questions. Yeah, but
Uh,
concept wise we are good, right?
yeah, concept
Thank
wise.
thank you.